03 Artificial Intelligence Tutorial for Beginners in 2024, Best Applications of Artificial Intelligence in 2024, Goals of Artificial Intelligence. Best Applications of Artificial Intelligence in 2024, here are the top industries and application areas of artificial intelligence in 2024. 1. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare with applications such as predictive analytics for disease diagnosis and prognosis, personalized treatment plans based on patient data, and medical imaging analysis for early detection of conditions like cancer. Virtual health assistants and AI-powered telemedicine platforms facilitate remote patient monitoring, virtual consultations, and efficient healthcare delivery, especially in underserved areas. 2. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars equipped with AI-powered perception, decision-making, and navigation systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, enhancing road safety, reducing accidents, and enabling more efficient transportation. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, utilize AI algorithms for features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and collision avoidance, augmenting driver capabilities and reducing human error. 3. Finance. AI algorithms are used in finance for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. They leverage vast amounts of data to identify real-time patterns, anomalies, and market trends. Robo-advisors employ AI-based algorithms to provide personalized investment advice, portfolio management, and financial planning services tailored to individual preferences and goals. 4. Retail. AI-powered recommendation engines analyze customer data, purchase history, and browsing behavior to provide personalized product recommendations, enhance cross-selling and upselling opportunities, and improve customer engagement. Predictive analytics algorithms forecast demand, optimize inventory management, and inform pricing strategies, reducing stockouts, minimizing wastage, and maximizing profitability. 5. Entertainment. AI algorithms power content recommendation engines on streaming platforms, personalized playlists on music apps, and tailored content curation on social media, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. AI-driven algorithms enhance virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences through immersive storytelling, interactive gaming, and realistic simulations, transforming entertainment experiences for users across various platforms. 6. Education. AI-powered adaptive learning platforms personalize educational content and learning experiences based on individual student progress, preferences, and learning styles, improving learning outcomes and engagement. Virtual tutors and intelligent tutoring systems utilize AI algorithms to provide real-time feedback, guidance, and support to students. They facilitate self-paced learning and effectively address individual learning needs. Goals of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, aims to achieve several key goals, each contributing to its overall ability to mimic and enhance human intelligence. Problem solving. AI systems are designed to tackle complex issues by efficiently identifying solutions. This involves algorithms that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and propose optimal solutions in various fields, such as healthcare, finance, and logistics. Knowledge representation. AI aims to represent information about the world in a form that a computer system can utilize to solve complex tasks. This includes databases, ontologies, and semantic networks that allow machines to understand and process human knowledge. Planning. AI systems develop strategies to achieve specific objectives by anticipating and evaluating different scenarios. This includes scheduling tasks, managing resources, and predicting outcomes to ensure successful completion of goals. Learning. AI strives to improve its performance over time through learning algorithms. This includes machine learning techniques where systems can learn from data, adapt to new information, and improve accuracy without being explicitly programmed for each task. Social intelligence. AI aims to interact effectively with humans by understanding and responding to social cues. This includes natural language processing, emotion recognition, and engaging in human-like conversations, enhancing user experience and collaboration. Perception. AI systems aim to interpret and understand sensory data from the world around them. This involves image and speech recognition technologies that enable machines to comprehend and respond to visual and auditory information. Together, these goals drive the development of AI technologies, enabling machines to perform tasks that enhance human capabilities and transform various industries.